What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Happy Monday. We're going to go over BTC sitting at 42.3K, down 3% on the day. Seeing market cap 828 billion. 24-hour volume 27 billion. Let's hop to the chart. So a little bit of a dumpy dump. So now we're looking for our wave 4 pullback in between 34.8 and 40K. I do think we already touched 40K, but I do think we'll come lower to allow the alts to reach their target zones and to allow Bitcoin to come back down and retest this strong level of support at 37K, which you can see is within our target zone. About the 38.2 is at 37K, which is a normal retracement for a wave 4 before pushing up in the wave 5. That's what I think is likely for BTC. Getting a little bit overextended on the weekly chart, so it would be healthy to come back, let the 20 EMA catch back up to the candles, and then see continuation back to the upside. Looking at the DXY, inverse head and shoulders, I do think we'll see continuation to the upside, which will allow Bitcoin to put in its wave 4 correction. Just watch this bullish confirmation as well as breaking the neckline of the inverse head and shoulders. That's what I'm looking at for BTC. Probably slowly trickle down. Of course, anything can happen. You can always dump, but slowly trickle down to about 37K. Retest that strong level of support. Allow the 20 EMA to catch up over to the candles over the next few weeks, and then see continuation back to the upside. All right, gang. So if you want completely free access to my trade signals, recently, we made juicy gains on Gala Games, Ethereum, our Matic trades in profit, XRP. Sign up to BITUNIX, no KYC, no VPN. There's a 20% bonus when you deposit into your futures account. If you deposit at least $100, if you deposit $1,000, that's $200. If you deposit $100, that's $20. Email me to receive your bonus, as well as I will give you access to my VIP rooms completely for free. Daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups, crypto news, member profits, forex signals, forex analysis, all completely for free with a BITUNIX sign up and deposit. Otherwise, it's $10 a month. All links down below. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.